हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे नए वीडियोस देखते रहने के लिए मेरे वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए ये साइन सब्सक्राइब को अवश्य क्लिक करें। इसके बाद ये बेल के साइन को क्लिक करें। यहाँ इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करने के बाद सेव करें ताकि आप नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Hello my dear students and friends, welcome back. It's a new video for you, and in that video we are going to learn something about Gerund and what is this and how we use it and how that can be used in different ways in English. We are going to learn all that. And you know the first form of verb. If we take any verb here, like suppose I say go, and when ing is added to that word, then it becomes going. It is V4. We use that. It's a verb or it's a noun. It can be a verb when it is used as a verb, and it can be a noun. And how it can be used as a subject, as an object, or what that I'll tell you later. But first you must understand, if suppose I say I am going to my office, it means it is a verb. But when the same word going or walking, we use it as a noun. It may be a subject or it may be an object. So let's discuss that here. The first sentence I have written here, walking is a good exercise. So you see that walking is a subject definitely here, but it's a noun and it's a subject, walking. But when I say I hate drinking, then I is a subject, hate is verb, and drinking is an object. I hate drinking. Okay, so we can use that now in that form, Gerund, as a subject or as an object. Now let's go to that third sentence. What I like is listening old Hindi songs. So what I like is listening, means this is here it is subject complement. What I like is listening old Hindi songs. Next, I saw him coming out of the university. So this is I saw him coming. This is object complement. Okay. And next, he is interested in learning piano. So remember, when you use gerund in that way, or we use always ing form after any preposition. So this is he's interested in learning. It's a gerund, learning. He's interested in learning piano. So that's all for that video. If you like that video, please like it and share it for others. And if you want to have classes with me to learn English, to learn speaking, or to learn grammar, or if you want to improve, or if you want to prepare for an interview, you may contact me. I'll customize a course for you, and I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. I'll be waiting for your email or Skype request. Thanks for watching that video. Thank you.